Hello and welcome to SparkQuest 2.0. Our event registration has started. Let's see how can you register yourself. So, let's get started. This is our SparkQuest website. You have to open sparkquest.in on your browser. Now scroll down, and you can see Register for Events option. Click on that. If you are already registered, then input your login information. Else, click on Register yourself. Enter your first name, middle name if available, and last name. Then choose your date of birth from the calendar. Provide your present address. Enter your phone number and WhatsApp number. Give your email ID. Now choose your current educational institution. Select school or college. For school, select your school name from the given list. If your school name is not in the given list, please choose Others and enter your school name. After school name, enter your class. Students from Class 8 to 12 can only apply for this event. For college, select your college name from the given list. If your college is not listed, please choose Others and enter your college name. Then choose your stream. If your stream is not in the list, choose Others and enter your stream. Enter your current year for your stream. If you are not from any of them, please choose Others and provide your occupation. Now select from where you have heard about SparkQuest. Choose Facebook, Instagram, or anyone. If you've heard from other source, choose Others and provide the source. Now choose your password. Before giving password, please read the rules for creating a password. Now give your password once again to confirm that. Click on Submit. An OTP will be sent to your given email address. OTP will be valid for 10 minutes. Enter the OTP. Click on Submit. Enjoy. Your registration is done. Your registration number will be sent to your registered email address. For payment, log in with your registration ID and password. Click on Submit. Click on OK. If you have already registered for any single or team event, then those events will be listed here. Click on Register for Events. Choose your event for payment. For team event, team leader should fill up the list of other team members' registration ID here. Here I'm paying for the Code Decode event. You can either scan the QR code on Paytm app, or you can do an UPI transfer, or a bank transfer. After successful payment, enter the transaction ID. upload the screenshot of payment. Click on Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully registered yourself for your first event. Your payment will be validated within 24 hours.